Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about H KELKAR. Is it worth a look at these levels or an avoid? So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation and people taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about SH Kelkar, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. And you can ask me questions on a daily basis. And if you can take $100 membership or membership for $100, you'll get 10 months access. That's a 1 year access by paying for 10 months. So you get 20% discount. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company, SH Kelkar was established in 1922 and they provide fragrances and aroma products. So they're into the consumer domain, serves consumer sectors like skincare, hair care, personal care, fabric, etc. So they're into different domains and businesses that they cater to. Operates across India and also abroad. They do export their products abroad as well. Have manufacturing facilities in the Netherlands and in India. So they are a company that has expanded well over the years and is quite a big company, although the market cap of the company currently is 2500 crores, but they have a brand to its name. If you look at the financials, and these are actually not Q4 numbers, but these are a Q1 FY22 numbers, so the heading is misplaced. These are Q1 FY22 numbers, June 20 FY22 numbers versus June of last year. Sales have gone up by around 85%, and profit has gone up by around 580%, not 58%, but around 580% has gone up manifold, and this has been a tremendous surge that has taken place in the stock and the prices and the profitability from year on year. But you need to understand that last time around this April to June quarters, everything was in a complete shutdown, and they were not able to export, and neither they were able to sell a lot. These are the kind of companies that really suffered big time when the pandemic hit for the first time. So the base effect is there, but still the growth is phenomenal for the company. The debt has reduced and there's high promoter and institutional holding with around 6% free float, which is also a very big positive. So just don't go by what they have done year on year, but even on a sequential terms they have done well, and the company is growing. ROE is around 17%, which is improving, and a 17% operating profit margin is decent. So if you look at the performance, stock has underperformed over the last 3-4 years. I thought that the listing was very nearby, but it has been listed earlier and not recently. So it has been, I mean, part of the market from a long time, and it has underperformed for the last 3-4 years. So that's why it has not been in the radar, but numbers have been stellar and numbers have been improving. Yes, between 2018 to 2020 the numbers have been you can say volatile, but things have really improved drastically, and this has led to the stock prices being at 52-week high or near to 52-week high. Business has been in upswing, and it is expected that once everything calms down and once things open up, and hopefully from FY23 onwards the numbers will be even better. So demand from exports has led to bottom line growth, and exports are going to even shine more once global you can say vaccination takes to a level of 30-40% going forward. So I am pretty confident that middle of 22 and surely by the end of FY23 things will be much better for these companies. Will perform better, as I said, when economy opens up, economy becomes better, because these products are more of a luxury kind of products, more of a product that is related to greater economic growth globally and in India, and I think economy is getting better, albeit there are critics for the same, but we are seeing that there is you can say green shoots of an economic growth. Once that takes place, then these kind of companies will gain momentum. So ratios and margins have improved significantly from single digits 2 3 years back. They have come into mid-teens, and I think they're going to get even better 2 3 years down the line. So it can be big in the future. I believe that this can be something that could become 2 3x from here easily if numbers keep on expanding. Remember, it is a consumer requirement. It is something that is required by especially women, especially the younger population, and it is the product or the raw material is being used into many kind of products which are consumer related, be it skincare, fabric care, etc. Disposable income is set to improve, so it is in a decline, and that's why the stock has been in trouble, because from 2018 till 21 the economy has gone into complete turmoil here in India, and we have seen that hit the auto companies as well because of the rising raw material prices and lower demand of autos because of higher oil prices, etc. And oil prices is also hurting a company like SH Kelkar. But I think going forward, things are only going to improve. I think it's not going to get even worse from what we are today. So these are levels where you can add if you have a 3 to 4 year time frame. So it can be huge over the next 4 years time frame. Potential of global sales growth in this field is immense, and once it becomes even, you can say, even bigger brand abroad, I think the sales are going to go up, and then with income in foreign currency, I think things will get even better on the top and bottom line. There is valuation comfort even at these valuations, because this is not ultra expensive, you can say, consumer cosmetic company. So in that regard, it has a lot of comfort with respect to buying into such a company, because you look at any mid cap, small cap today, many of them have gone up so much that there is no valuation comfort in buying new into the stock. So this stock has that valuation comfort, and this is a product for the masses. This is a product that once it gets key hold into one of the segments, market segment, is going to sell big. So strong management pedigree, the company has done well. I believe that going forward there could be 25 30% CAGR returns going forward in the next 3 4 years. So what needs to be done? In my opinion, what you need to do is accumulate slowly, buy some 10 15% of the total, buy some now. Keep track of numbers, keep on buying on moves 10 20% up and down. And if you have it, then of course hold and add some on any bad days. Business will grow as economies open up, and it is a concept stock. It is a stock that can be looked at from a 4 5 year time frame, and have exposure of around 5 to 7% into the stock maximum. So this was my video on asset Kelkar. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching, and kindly support me on Patreon. Thank you.